Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. If you block someone, then he can find that you have blocked him. But if you want to hide someone without blocking them, then you can do this. For that, just open your Instagram account, and once you are on your Instagram account, go to your profile, and at the top right side there are three horizontal lines. Just simply click on these three horizontal lines. Now here scroll down and you will see an option called restricted. Simply click on this restricted. Now in search, type the username of that user which you want to hide your post from. So just here search for any user. Let's suppose I will search any user and just simply click on, you can see there is username, and at front of the username there is option called restrict. Just simply click on restrict. When you click on restrict, then let's fall. I will click on restrict. When you click on restrict, account restricted. So this account has been restricted, and now your all posts, videos, reels, anything that you post on your Instagram will not be visible to that user, and even if this user will not find that you have blocked him. So if you want to hide your post from someone without blocking them, so this is the way.